Welcome to the setup guide for your Silhouette Alta 3D printing machine. These step-by-step instructions will help guide you through the process of setting up your 3D printer. Register your machine. Start by taking your machine out of the box. Once the Alta is out of the box, you may register your machine at silhouetteamerica.com/setup. Completing the registration process will also sign you up for your official Silhouette account. Select your language and the Alta machine. Then proceed to fill out all of the needed information. You will find a unique serial number on the bottom of the machine. Check the box contents and set up the Silhouette Alta. Once your machine has been registered, check to make sure that you have all of the items that should be in the box. In addition to the machine, there should be a power cord with an AC adapter, a USB cable, loose white filament and a filament spool, a platform and platform tape sheets, 2 different sizes of hex keys, a filament tube, a nozzle cleaner, a spatula tool, and keys to lock and unlock the case surrounding the Alta. Once you've confirmed all items are present, discard any tape. Cut any ties that are holding the foam pieces in place, and remove the foam pieces from the machine. Plug the included AC adapter into the right-hand side of the Alta, and then into a wall socket. Then connect the Alta to your computer using the provided USB cable.